dogs and cheap beer. It's raining, dumbass.
Never rains on baseball.
It sucks. It's the most boring sport in the world. And Jim, I'm really pissed that you dressed me up like a bad boy.
Oh, come on, Billy.
The Quakes are 4 games out. Must-win situation.
Rodney's a statistical genius. Besides this, I'm throwing out the first pitch. You all must be excited about that.
I am.
Me too.
It's so unfair that I have no control over what I wear or where I go.
Freckles! Freckles! Fred, where is Freckles?
How the hell would I know?
Well, for God's sakes, help! Get out here and find her!
I'm watching the game. 4 games out. Damn it, it's a must-win.
Billy, last weekend was Billy's Sunday. And what did we do?
I got my colon cleansed.
And didn't we have fun? And this week is Jim's Sunday. And as much as I enjoy getting my colon cleansed, I really would. I'm throwing out the first pitch of the Quakes game.
Yeah, whoop-de-doo.
She's an indoor cat and she is outdoors!
She pees on my chair.
Get your ass out here and help me find Freckles!
I'm coming. Now shut up, will you?
Hey, when is it going to be Steve's Sunday?
Never.
Steve's Sunday is the week after next.
So that means next Sunday is...
Rodney Sunday.
Rodney Sundays! And what have we got tickets to see?
Barry Manilow.
No!
Manilow sucks.
Mello doesn't suck. Mello writes the songs.
That is true. Manilow does write the songs.
He makes the whole world sing.
Look at this old lady up here. Look how excited she is. Enthusiasm, team spirit. I like it.
Watch it! There's a cat loose here!
Hey, look at him. He's got his Quakes hat on. He's shaking his walker. It's great.
Okay, that is pretty cool.
Watch it! There's a cat loose! Oh, no!
She's out.
Fred,
Hey, did anyone else hear that noise?
you bastards! Fred, come on! Oh, my God, you shitheads!
Oh, look at that old lady, eh? She probably came out to LA 50 years ago thinking she'd get famous. Got 3 lines in some Mickey Rooney movie and she talks about it for the rest of her life.
I see you, you rotten bastard! I'm getting the cops after your license. I'm the 871P or something. Come on, Fred, we have to call the police. Come on.
I hate that cat.
I remember when I first met Lauren Bacall. She was 3 years old, I was 40. I was babysitting her at the time, but I knew, even then I knew, she'd be famous. I knew it, I tell you.
My career went down the tubes when Humphrey Bogart paralyzed his upper lip, giving me cunnilingus.
LA's full of crazies.
It really is.